Hey everybody, it's time for another butterfly knife trick tutorial. Today I'm going to be teaching you how to do a 720 degree aerial. At least that's what I call it. Never seen it done. Never seen it named. It's not really anything different from a regular aerial. You're just spinning it twice in the air. And yeah, if you don't know how to do a 360 aerial, then don't try 720. You will cut yourself. You will drop your knife if you try to do a 720 without learning a basic aerial first. So if you don't know how to do a basic aerial, go to part 1 of these videos and get those down first. So let's get started with the 720. Here's what it's supposed to look like. Didn't get it. Damn, didn't get it. Got it that time. Right there. Alright. So as you can see, I'm not doing it the same way I did my first aerial. The first aerial, I just flung it up there. Reason for that is you can get more momentum if you do this. You get much more momentum than just throwing it like this, and like this you have a chance of throwing your knife, and that's not going to be good. It'll be very bad for your knife, and if you're doing it in front of people, it'll be very bad for the people. So, you know, it's just better this way. And yeah, if you know how to do a regular aerial, you know how to do this, but I'll break it down anyways. So the way you're going to hold it is a regular grip for a standard horizontal opening. Here's the motions. You're going to do a standard horizontal opening to start out with. You're going to go a flip onto your knuckles. At the same time, you're going to flip it forward. Hold it like this. You're going to flip it forward. Then you're going to flip it to the side and to the side right here. Now, motion 2 is very important, and it's linked directly with motion 3. Turning it like this, and you want to carry all the momentum from this motion down, and you want to drop your hand considerably lower than you would for just a normal opening. You want to drop it quite low. I mean, maybe 6 inches to a foot, about a foot, and that's going to give you the momentum you need to get the 720 degrees. And it's very important, just about the most important part of the trick. So, 1, doing both those motions at the same time. 2, dropping it way low. And something I forgot to mention is you might want to hold it a bit lower than you would for a normal aerial or a normal standard opening. It's a good idea. You don't have to. And just a suggestion that you're down right here, and then you take all of that momentum you got from right here and just switch it to going up. You're gonna put a lot of strength into this. It'll take every bit of it. And watch the dead handle. It's gonna come around to you. You're gonna want to catch it. Don't. And let it go around one more time. And it's hard to follow once you start doing it faster. Once you can flip it really fast, like that, it gets harder, and it's just a feeling. It's no longer a actual technique. It's a feeling of your knife going around. And yeah, have fun with this, and don't cut yourself.